Okay, and we are live. Thank you for stopping in to the stream. Kind of push up and hold of the range value area within where we are, right at the volume point of control. Where do we go? Up or down? Down or up? Let's find out. Okay. Got 20 minutes until showtime.
Are you ready, true believer? Welcome to the adventure! Choose your alter ego! Sakura! Lekinora! Oyashi! Tadaima Sanjo! Ready! Fight! First attack! Ready! Fight! Aerial rain! Thumbs up,
そんな
soldier.
ことだね
Thumbs up, soldier. Hold it. Ready. Fight. Shield slash. Charging star. Stars and stripes. Good.
お待たせ
Good.
竜巻旋風剣昇竜拳昇竜拳昇竜拳昇竜拳
Victory. Shield slash. Stars and stripes.
昇竜拳波動拳波動拳波動拳波動拳
Stars. Good. Stars and stripes.
昇竜拳波動拳
Sniper stars and stripes. KO. Captain America. Freedom prevails. Continue. Choose your alter ego. Yes. Captain America. Let's rock. Come on. Come and get me. Ready. Fight. Optic flash. Good. Optic flash. Optic flash. Cyclone kick. Good. Optic flash. Good. Open strikes. Optic flash. Optic flash. Your turn. Victory. Stars and stripes. Charging star. Charging star. Charging star. Charging star. Charging star. Stars and stripes. Stars and stripes. Shield slash. Final justice. Final justice. Final justice. KO. Captain America. Freedom prevails. Thumbs up, soldier. Come on. Come and get me. Ready. Fight. Good. Optic blast. Team splice. Optic blast. Cyclone kick. Good. Optic blast. Optic blast. Behold, optic blast. Danger. Behold, optic blast. Your turn, Victor. Omega strike. Charging star. Stars and stripes. Omega strike. Stars and stripes. Danger. Shield slash. Shield slash. Final justice. Charging star. Charging star. Omega. Charging star. Thumbs up,
そんな
soldier.
とこだね
Come on. Come and get me. Ready. Fight. Optic blast. Cyclone kick. Gene splice. Optic blast. Optic blast. Optic blast. Behold. Optic blast. Good. Cyclone kick. Behold. Optic. Behold. Optic blast. Gene splice. Gene splice. Good. Optic blast. Optic blast. Optic sweep. Behold. Optic blast. Danger. Gene splice. Gene splice. Behold. Optic blast. Gene splice. Your turn. Victory. Final justice.
What's up?
Final justice. KO. Captain America.
Oh my goodness, welcome to the land of the living.
Freedom prevails. Yes. Come on.
You were doing yard work in the dream? Was
Come
it
and
fun?
get me. Ready. Fight. Optic blast. Optic blast. Optic blast.
Oh, that type of yard work. It's like dig the hole.
Optic blast.
Now get in it.
Optic blast. Optic blast. Optic sweep. Optic blast. Gene splice. Behold. Optic blast. Cyclone kick. Behold. Cyclone kick.
I have some good memories of doing yard work. Having your own like garden and stuff is nice.
Charging star.
Like your
Stars and stripes. Shield slash. Shield slash. Stars and stripes.
Japan's so limited on space. Like, you know, it's a lot of people. Like I own, what do you call it? Like they call them condos, I guess, in English, but they call it a mansion in Japan. It's like, it's not exactly what you would call a mansion, but yeah, it's yeah, we just have a veranda, like, so yeah, I miss having like a yard, all that stuff.
Freedom prevails.
I don't miss cutting the grass in summer though. That sucked.
Thumbs up, soldier. Come on. Come and get me. Ready. Fight.
Yeah, like literally touching grass.
Your turn. Victory. Stars and stripes. Stars and stripes. Shield slash. Stars and stripes. Shield slash. Danger.
Say what?
Behold, optic blast. Behold, optic blast. KO. Thumbs up, soldier.
Oh, that's cool.
Come and get me.
Ready. Fight!
Deep slice.
You have to apply to stream? That's weird.
Deep slice. Up the glass. Cyclone kick.
Good.
Up the glass. Deep slice. Up the glass.
Danger!
Your turn. Charging star. Final jump. Shield slash. Charging star. Starting slaves. Final Justin. Charging star.
Danger!
Up the glass. Behold, up the glass.
Mega Optic Blast! KO! Cyclone
I
win!
did it.
It's going good. We could retest yesterday's volume point and control at 184.50. The length of the volume imbalance. Ah. The length of time. I would assume that, I mean, in general, the whole like gap theory or whatever is kind of It's just recovering the imbalance from before. So eventually it goes back to all of them. It's just a matter of when. The length. It's all about the pushing for the cushion or whatever they say. I don't know. Or pushing for the cushion. I don't know. I have no idea. I don't have anyone making that excuse. So. Freeze up? Like what? Like they have a term called tuna fish where they're like maguro. Yeah, there's definitely what do you, oh, we're open. Snap. Yeah, coming back to the volume point of control from yesterday seems to make sense. 272.50. Rhyme or reason? You just got 150 contract sellers entering 98 at 331, 85 at 325. You got 122 buyer that just entered the fray at 319. That could be absorption candidate. If the sellers are going to step up, they're going to do it here. 318.75. $139 contract at 319. Come on, absorb them. Absorption. Nice. And breaking the lows. Breaking the lows. Yep. I just want to see that retest of that volume point of control. That's the only theory I needed. Plus the inflection point of that buyer getting absorbed. Double arrow. Already secured one contract. Stop at break even on the second. Yeah. Yeah, ES is now following suit. Nice. That's the way to do it. You just had a 61 seller ad at 309. I don't like seeing people add on the side I'm on because they get absorbed. I'm moving it to the top of 312.75, so if it pops up above that, I'm out. And I'm out. At least the first contract got a nice juice. Yeah, that's why I'm just like, not worth it. Oh, damn. They're just like, what green? Boom. Mm-hmm. Maybe I'm rooting for your short down to that yesterday volume point of control at 272.50. That's the ideal target. Mm-hmm. Huh? Say what? Yeah, 272.50 is where yesterday's volume point of control was. Yeah. That's like 28 points away. Yep. Good job if you're in that. Yeah, the hesitancy of ES and the incongruence is annoying, but You do got resting orders down to the VWAP at 67.94 to coincide with that if this is just a B wave before it sees its way down. You just got a 94 buyer at 304, and so far they absorbed the previous buyer, so the buyers have a weakness. So if that 304 lot it gets rejected, which it is showing more absorption. Use that buy lot at 304 as your guide. Yeah, I would agree. Oh, nice acceleration. You just broke the 290s. Yeah, that 94 lot just got absorbed pretty nicely, so you have a 128 buyer that just entered at 285.50. So they have more permission to keep going. And now your yesterday volume point of control is not that far away. Boom. Nice, Dave. Nice. Damn. That was a pretty clear read. That's nice. You just had an ES. Yeah, you just nice. This is right around yesterday's volume point of control too, so you could see some range bound action while it absorbs the hit. Yeah, you got a 95 seller at 270, so you could get some seller fatigue TO off that. Damn. ES just cleared that resting liquidity I was talking about not that long ago. The C wave down just hit. Yeah, this looks like that was the sweep. You swept 333 sell side, now coming back on the previous slots. Big bubbles. Absorption bubble. Where's that sound? You used to have those. Oh. Absorption bubble. Long duck dong. Absorption bubble. That was awesome. Yeah, you could be getting a little bit of a slingshot. There's 174 seller at 300. Ooh, now you're coming back. Oh, snap. They just took 750 in sell side with that. With that little jitter up, it engaged 300 buy side delta, so it could keep going here. Damn. That's the way to do it, man. Less than 30 minutes. You gotta, like, flick a coin and, like, shoe shine, please. Yeah, it's pretty nice moves on both sides. Like, you can... Yep, see you, man. Thanks. Yep. Not really. Mostly they just pontificate. ES like shit to bed. Much harder than NQ did. You just got a 900 spoofer enter the fray beneath price action on ES 6783. They want to see it go up, it looks like. Boom. That'll be cool. You also have an 800 contract spoofer on NQ at 25,250, just around the same time as the ES guy. Another 717 at 255, so that's 1,500 contracts is spoofing the low price on NQ. Nice. Well, DX. Y'all gonna make me lose my mind in this feed. DX feed. That's good. now, do the spoofers move their order? Did they get spooked? Or did they... Let's see, how's ES spoofers doing? Still there at 67.83. Oh, they moved it. ES moved theirs down to 67.80. How about NQ? NQ removed half of the 1500 lot, so the 800 still at 25,250, but the 700 lot disappeared. Oh, now the 800 lot disappeared, and 791 down at 235. See ya, Tio. I'll stay with you guys until the 15-minute close. Just gonna see if these spoofers get what they are looking for with the upside push. Still pretty heavy after the drop though. Good. I took that initial opening short. One contract got nice, the other stopped at break even or a little in profit. Thanks for reminding. I always forget. There we go. Do, 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 do. Are you talking to me about the ticks? How many ticks is the ES chart? I don't have a ES chart up, but I have it on Bookmap. I basically have NQ 2000 tick on the far left and 1000 tick in the center. Tio, I think he does 1000 tick. Probably says it somewhere on the screen. I just don't have it full screen. Hold up. Yeah, I can't see where it says that, but I'm pretty sure it's like 1000. Uh, 2Ks. Yeah, 2K for ES. We still have that spoofer on ES at 6780, 879 lot. NQ has the 800 lot at 25235. They moved it down from previously at 250. Generally, the spoofers want the opposite price action. So if it's below price, they want it to go up. And so they're testing the fervor of the sellers. Can they sweep their order is basically the idea of what I've noticed they do. It's like a wall of defense. getting a 138 seller at 270. And previously 121 buyer at 273. So you got your candidates on both sides set up. Who's going to get rewarded? Who's going to get punished? We're also at the previous day volume point of control. We were talking about that as a point of interest at the open. And then we got that push to it. And then we talked about it possibly consolidating here to absorb the hit, which it did. Two minutes until the 15-minute close. To be honest, you have some more resting orders down to VWAP at 255-ish to sweep that on NQ and then get passive orders that push it up would be the thing to look for, perhaps, for a little bit of a liquidity grab, sell side sweep, and then push up off of that. And the sweep. There's a 400 guy that wants to get in at, oh, they just, the sweep and the hold. Another 590 lot guy at 67.83. Another spoofer. Was that the sweep to get the last bit of the passive orders in for the sell side fatigue? Oh, the spoofer left. All right. Well, I have to make some stuff for the Sunday and Monday event that I have, but looking to possibly see the spoofers get what they want with the push to the upside at some point, and some of the seller fatigue here at the delta push down here, which has lackluster push down, giving the impression of seller fatigue. You're coming back on this 138 lot at 270, so you could get a little bit of reward of this buyer too, and this theory of pushing to the upside could be true. Yes, also holding. So do you get a little bit of a push up to the 300s and beyond with a double bottom action to be found out on the next Dragon Ball Z? So stay frugal, stay blessed, and stay positive, and we will see